Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about some of the new and exciting features on our website. And for those of you who don't know, our website is www.marsheating.com. And so I'll start here in the lower right hand corner of your screen. You will see a text symbol, and this new feature you can actually text us through our website, and you will get a hold of real people that work for us, not just a robot. These are people that can actually answer your questions and help you in a timely manner. So feel free to use that feature, and this will become especially relevant for using our new shop feature, which I'm going to get to here in a few minutes. But first, I will start by saying, if you go up here and you click on our blog, and before we get into buying air filters on our website, you should read our blog post on how often you should change your air filter. And there's lots of good information on there, such as how often you need to change your air filter, what you need to look at to determine whether or not your air filter is bad. We've got some good visuals there. And again, if you have questions, you can simply text us and we can help you determine what will suit your needs the best. So I'm going to go back to our home page, and then I'm going to click on our shop function here in the upper right hand corner, and you'll see we've got actually 193 items for sale here. All of these are drop shipped to your door. And I'm going to start, if you start by filtering by size, so if you're looking to purchase, let's just go with a common size, which would be 16 by 25 by 4. So we're going to filter by size, and we'll see that we have got 3 separate buying options for a 16 by 25 by 4 filter. We've got different MERV ratings, which again we go over in our blog post. But for all intents and purposes, we're going to go ahead and say that we want a MERV 11 16 by 25 by 4 filter. We're going to see our buying options here. And so we can see here that we can purchase either a single pack or a 2-pack. And we have free shipping in the continental US. We can set up auto delivery, which we're going to do here. So I'm going to set up to have a 2-pack delivered every 12 months, because to me this is the cheapest option. If I need to replace my filter every 6 months and they're shipping, there's only one item that they're shipping, 2 in a box, it's going to be cheaper. So you can see that we're going to be paying $31.52 each as opposed to a single pack, or we're going to be paying $42.98. So it's a little bit better of a deal. We're going to hit add to cart, and then we'll see here we've got our items in the cart. So we're going to be paying $63.03 total for our 2 filters, and we're going to be saving $3 here with auto delivery. And you can see we can set our first date for our recurring order. So that means that we're going to be seeing our new filters approximately 1 year from now, which would be December 1st, 2020. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. We're going to enter all of our information just like we would on any other e-commerce website. Give us your credit card number and place your order, and you're good to go. And like I said, if you ever have any questions, you can text us, you can call us, we can help you navigate this site or pick a filter that's best for you. You know, we are a local company and we know your equipment. If you're our customers, we can look into your information, see even what size you have and what we've been installing in your system and help you navigate. So this is a great feature. Feel free to use it, and thanks for supporting a local business.